In a recent collaboration, Nvidia, the leading chip company, and Foxconn, the electronics manufacturing firm, have announced their partnership to construct next-generation data centers, dubbed AI factories. These facilities are expected to bolster the development and deployment of artificial intelligence across various industries, with an early focus on autonomous vehicles. Both companies shared their vision during Foxconn's annual tech event in Taipei. Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, articulated the game-changing concept of AI factories. He said, "A new type of manufacturing has emerged, intelligence production, and the data centers that produce it are AI factories." Additionally, Huang emphasized how these AI factories could perpetually process data from autonomous vehicles, enhancing their capabilities. Significantly, Foxconn's chairman, Liu Yongwei, highlighted the transition of Foxconn from just a manufacturing service entity to a platform solution provider. Hence, it's evident that AI factories are more than just data centers.